Now let's take a look at interest-only loans in the next exercise. Interest-only loans is when you guys borrow money from a bank and just pay back the interest only the interest that is charged every month or every fortnight. Usually it's monthly, 99% it's monthly, but all you're doing is paying back the interest on the amount borrowed. So at the end of the loan, you still owe the original amount that you took out, okay? So that's all it is. And you've seen this formula before. Let VA be the principal of the loan, let R be the interest rate, and let D be the regular payment per compounding period. So for the interest-only loans, your payment is just the interest charge. And this to me looks like the simple interest formula, doesn't it? R on 100 times the initial value. So that percentage amount will be charged for you. So let's have a look at an example. Jane borrows $50,000 to buy some shares. Jane negotiates an interest-only loan for this amount at an interest rate of 9% per annum compounding monthly. So don't forget, this is monthly, divide by 12. What is the monthly amount Jane will be required to pay? So the initial investment was $50,000. The interest rate was 9% per annum. So in order to get this 0.75, you would just do 9 divided by 12. Then use the formula for interest, 0.75 divided by 100 times the initial value, which is $50,000, and you'll get $375 every month. That's all she's paying, is $375 every month. But at the end of the year, she did that for 12 months, she still owes the bank $50,000. So where's she going to get the $50,000 from? Sell the shares, hopefully they've gone up, and then she can return the money to the bank. She's got a profit, but don't forget she has to pay tax on that too, because it's income. Right, how do we do this on a graphics calculator? So let's have a look at this one here. Stuart borrows $180,000 to buy a house. So the bank is giving him $180,000 to buy that house. So what happens in this situation is that the present value is that the bank has given him $100,000. So in this one here, $180,000. So you put $180,000 into this area here. What have we got? He negotiates an interest-only loan. So the future value straight away, if it's an interest-only loan, is going to be $180,000. But we put a negative in there because we've got to give it back to the bank. Okay? So that's what's going to happen in that situation. So I'll just put that into the FV as well. 180,000, but a negative here because you've got to owe it back. You've got to give it back to the bank. I'm going to physically hand back to them $180,000 for that situation. The interest rate is at 7.6% per annum compounding fortnightly. Percent per annum will go in this one up here. 7.6 into there. And it says compounding fortnightly. What is the fortnightly payment correct to the nearest cents? So in this situation here, well, it says fortnightly payments. So I want 1 fortnight, don't I? So you can just put that one into there, put a 1 in here. And compounding fortnightly, our PPY and CPY. How many fortnights are there in a year? 26 fortnights. So we've got to go down and change our PPY, CPY down in here to 26. Put 26 in there. And then put 26 in there. But you need to tell us which one to work out, and what we're trying to find out is our payment. So that's what we need to do, and press enter into there, and it'll tell us that our fortnightly payment has to be $526.15. So that would be the answer for Stuart, what he'll need to pay every fortnight. Fairly straightforward. So now you can have a go at doing the next exercise, 9D.